Okay, class, I'm back to talk about probability distribution in the form of variance. So I have written everything out, but I forgot to change the formula. So let me just change this up really quickly while I talk about it. And variance is pretty much a measure of stability. So we want to know how much variation is in the distribution. So little variation means it's very stable. It means that everything is dispersed very tightly. And a large variation means that there's a lot of what we call noise in the particular distribution. So let's talk about this for a few minutes. So here we are with variance. And I think I said this in the previous example. It's equal to sigma squared. And then that is equal to the sum of xi minus mu squared times the probability of xi, right? And then standard deviation, we'll talk about that more as this class goes on, is equal to, which is equal to the square, it's the square root of the variance. All right, so let's talk about how I got this. So if we go back to the group size example that we had before, and I'm going to change my pen color once again. We talked about the mean. So we found that in the previous video, we found the mean. So now we know the mean is, the same across the whole sample. The mean is 3.56. And then if we calculate x minus mu, that would be 2 minus, so I got the 2 from here, turns my xi, and minus the mean, right? So I found the difference between the sample size and the mean for all 6 of the data points that all 5 of the data points that we were given, and I squared that, and this is what that equals. So if I took the square, here we go. So this is the square of the difference between the sample size and the mean for all 5 of our points. And then I took that x minus mu squared, and then I multiplied that by the probability. So here's our probability, right? So this would be the 2.34 times 0.68 times 0.68. And that gave me the 83, right? Same thing, 0.31 times 0.36 gave me 0.4, right? So I multiplied these, all 5 data points, then that gave me my variance, which was the sum of all these data points, 1.93. The best way to do this is to set this up in Excel. And if you have questions about setting this up in Excel, please message me. But I think it's pretty straightforward. It's just setting up a standard Excel table and doing the math in Excel. It makes for a lot less error. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please contact me. And in terms of shortcuts, there are no real shortcuts for doing these type of calculations. You're going to have to set up an Excel table and do it in Excel. All right. I will see you in the next video, which is about binomial.